Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video, and today we are going to be visiting Nairobi Animal Orphanage and I'm going to tag you along. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and come along with us. So guys, we've just arrived and the animal orphanage is inside the Nairobi National Park. So you enter through the main gate and it's on your left. It's just a walking distance, and the entry fees is 215 for adults and 125 shillings for kids. Once we were done with the orphanage, we left for Giraffe Center, and it feels good to be back because I was here before the renovations sometime in 2022, and yeah, it looks so beautiful, and yeah, it was lovely being there again. After spending some time at Giraffe Center, we left for Karen at the mall, the hub, and we spent some time there and also had dinner before heading back home. This is how it went.
Sasa, ni sisi.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sunday and you're going to spend the day with me. First off, open the curtains and then we see what next. But now, arise and shine. Good morning, my sunshine. And now I did some laundry and you see this? Yeah. So let's see what to do about that. But first, a quick bathroom run.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my fall.
What's up, good people? Today's a Monday and I'm headed out. It's going to rain. I can feel it drizzling. Yeah, so fingers crossed. I'm not going to get rained on. And yeah, this is the beginning of a new week. I also feel like I'm catching a flu. I don't know. Yeah, but let's hope. This is going to be a good week and we'll move on together. So I'm waiting for my bike guy. Looks like he's not here yet. Yeah, so let's go together.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and